A very personal story. Something that happened to me. Didn't know what I was going to do with my life. I had not discovered food. I would collect the stones so that I could cast them at the town barber. I would take these stones right up to the barber and I would say, Emilio, good morning. And he would say, Marco, you better not cast that stone at me. You better not throw that rock. One night, as he was driving his moped, I casted a stone. He flew right off the cliff. He was a good man. He would donate every year to the orphanage. Every time I make this dish, it reminds me of Emilio the barber. But, as with any dish, not quite ready. Yes, a bit of stock of my personal shelf. Not beef stock, not lamb stock, not chicken stock. This one's my little secret. Taken back to those days as a boy, when I used to cast stones at the town barber. Eloquent, simple,